Guys, we are back. We're still playing this game, of course. We are right at the end. So, like, this video will probably not even be very long. Batsling, where'd you go?
Oh my god, he's here.
Yeah, in the last video, I died.
Oh my god!
You're screaming. Sorry about that, guys. I have a very bad problem with my camera falling down all the time. I'm a June bug. Just kidding. Everyone else in the world is a June bug, except for me. Indicator. In a car that's sweet Chicago morning, another baby cow was born. Indicator. Shiz nipples. Shiz nipples.
Can you just walk around me and feel safe like that?
Where are you? Sorry, my camera fell and I had to pick it back up.
Oh,
I hear you.
He's right behind. It's like everywhere.
Yeah, dude, he wants to lick your butt. Gracefully. Dude, where? Oh, I see you. I see you. Wait up, buddy. Buddy, wait. I can't run. Alright, follow me. I'm pretty sure I know where the frickin' tape is.
Alright, there's tape there.
Where?
Oh, there's a bridge there. You gotta keep me comfortable.
I'm pretty sure that it's across the bridge. Wait, no, it's this way.
Hold up.
I don't know if it looks good to you guys, but on my camera, this game actually looks a lot more realistic than it really is. Like, as I'm just like looking at the camera and looking back at the game, it looks pretty good. Oh yeah, just to let you know if you didn't. Oh yeah, I'm an angel. That's how I roll. I am an angel ghost person.
Oh fuck, he's right behind me.
Your character like screamed 20 times.
I know.
There's an evil stone. See, this is an evil stone, guys.
I can realize I need you to be with me like the whole time.
Oh, sorry. I was venturing off, looking at the evil stone. Giving it a hand job.
I can see the ending if I get it.
Yeah, if you don't die, quit screaming.
I'm sorry, this guy just keeps on scaring the shit out of me.
Okay, sorry, my brain is not processing fast right now. Whoa, that was a glitch. Glitches are bitches!
Alright, Mark, go, open the door.
What? Was Marky watching you?
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
Well, tell him Aw, we died. It's alright, though.
Well, guys, at the end, I have to tell you guys.
That took us 18 minutes. In memory of Volcom Skater and Batsling. Tape recorders found. He got 4, I got 3. Distance walked, he went a shitload more than I have. I screamed twice, he screamed 7 times. Screams are how many times you see him really close and then your character screams.
I'll be right back.
Okay, this is our journey that we went on. It's just showing us how we went. Those little things, I think, is where you found the tape recorders. And the exclamation mark is where you saw them. See, there's one spot, though. I know we missed it. It was right around that corner, I think. Yeah, it was either around this corner this corner or somewhere in here, maybe here. I'm not really sure. Boom, boom, ch, boom, boom, ch, do, 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 do. Alright, guys, that was retarded, but, see you guys later. Like and subscribe, and favorite also. We'll be making more videos like this. Different maps, different modes. But, yeah, this is a really good game. You guys should get it.
I don't want to play this anymore.
I know, I'm just, like, telling them about it. So, yeah, this is, a good game. Scares the shit out of me. It makes me poop my pants and piss on my mom's face. That's disgusting, you freaking pervs. But, yeah, see you guys next time. Say, we're gonna be playing different games. Probably indie games again. Just random games. You guys tell us games and we'll play them.
What do you want to play now?
Alright. See you guys later. Like and subscribe. And
What up over here?
we'll see ya. See ya.